Today I want to share with you how to make instant ramen. May not be a typical instant ramen noodles that you might have seen in the grocery store, but this is my go-to. The noodles are not deep fried, so it's supposed to be a healthier version. I have been extremely busy with my job, so I need something rich like ramen noodles, but not time-consuming. So I have chashu in my fridge and everything, so I give it a shot. Slice the chashu as much as you want and sear if you have a torch in your kitchen. Wash a bag of bean sprout and remove the root if you don't like it. It is said that removing the root makes the texture better, but I just leave as it is. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil and boil the noodles according to the package instructions. Take out and transfer to a serving bowl. Boil the bean sprout quickly with the same hot water. Discard the water and bring 2 cups of water to a boil again and dissolve the powdered soup. Pour the soup over the ramen noodles and mix it together. And then top with the ingredients. And there you have it. I don't really eat instant noodles, but why not with the healthier version? I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching.